guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J if you're new here, and on this channel I do home decor videos, lifestyle videos, so if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. So in today's video, I actually have a fun one for you guys, something a little bit different, something I haven't done in a while, and that is actually vlog. So I'm going to do a little weekend vlog. So in this video, we're gonna do a little bit of home decor shopping. I'm looking for stuff to switch up my sideboard behind me. So we're gonna step into CB2, my favorite store. We're gonna go to Crate and Barrel, maybe step inside West Elm, and then I need to find an outfit for my birthday. We're gonna celebrate it a little early and go to the winery, so I need to find an outfit. So we're gonna go to Abercrombie and Zara to see if they have anything, and then we're gonna go to the LA Flower Market. Now, before we get started with all the goodies, I wanna thank Karma for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now, Karma is an app and Chrome extension that uses clever tech to make sure that you don't miss a coupon code, a price drop, or when an item comes back in stock. Now, Karma was formerly called ShopTagger. Some of you might be more familiar with that name, but they're always expanding their capabilities to help us save money. So their name represents good karma they put forth to helping us shop smarter. Now, Karma has recently saved me some money on my dream toaster that I've been having my eye on for a while now, which is the Smeg toaster. They alerted me as soon as it went on sale, and of course I had to take advantage of that along with some coupons that I had. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it works. So you're gonna go onto the Google Chrome. You have to use Google Chrome. So you're just going to search Karma right from your Google Chrome store, and you're gonna download it. Now, once you downloaded Karma, you can start saving items from over 9,000 stores. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on CB2 since we're heading there right now. I've been having my eye on this chair right here. I just wanna double check if there's any price drops. So I'm gonna save this item right here. So just in case it goes on sale, they can notify me. And they will actually notify you via email or mobile push as soon as the item goes on sale, has a relevant coupon, or comes back in stock if the item was out of stock. Now, once you start saving items, you can start organizing them into different wish lists, which is very helpful so you can shop more mindfully. Karma also uses something called Clever Tech, which scans the web for coupon codes and automatically applies them during checkout. This is a special feature that only works on desktop, so downloading the Chrome extension is a must. You can also earn cash back via PayPal when you shop from select retail partners. So now more than ever, it's important to get that max value. So I have the link down below. You guys can click on it and download it to your computer and your phone so you guys can save as much money as possible. Okay, let's get started with the vlog.
That's Sundays, yeah. They have everything. Bunny tails. This compass has died. I love those. I don't know what those are. I don't know. Oh, these are nice too. Look at these. Yeah, that's good. We got eucalyptus. Bunch of different kind of eucalyptus. Ooh, I want some of these. So what are you looking for? I need something. No, I want to have eucalyptus in my shower. Yeah, people do that. See, Restoration Hardware is right there. Williams Sonoma, West Elm, Crate and Barrel. And then Pottery Barn, all right next to each other. I think I'm gonna go to Crate and Barrel first. This is the Leanne Ford vase. I see why everyone likes it. All right, next up is my favorite store, CB2. Always so many goodies. I actually like this table better in person. So it's Sunday and we are going to a winery in Temecula. This one is called Wilson's Creek, and my friend set this up for my birthday. My birthday is next week, so we're gonna go and just have some brunch, do a little wine tasting. I'm excited. So this is my outfit that I'm gonna wear. So these pants are from Abercrombie. I love these. These are the ultra high rise Curve Love, and they're perfect because the girl got some hips. I bought this super cute linen blouse from Zara, and I love how it has like the gold buttons. You guys can see that. Just a regular tank top from Target. I don't know if they still sell these, but I used to get them there all the time. They're perfect. So I just crisscrossed it and tucked it in. I got it extra large so it can feel oversized, and then I'm wearing my lack of color hat. I actually ordered two more, a seagrass one and then an ivory color one, but I ordered the wrong size. So I had to send them back. So I'm wearing the hat I wore it last time to the winery, but these hats are so good. And then I'm wearing some Target heels. I had to run into Target last minute the last time I went to a winery, and everything else was closed. They had these, they're perfect, they're comfortable. So I'm gonna wear these again. So I'll show you guys a little bit of what the winery looks like. You guys are gonna come with me. I'm gonna vlog today. I'm excited about that. So I'm running a little bit late, so let's go. Have a garden omelet, breakfast potatoes, some kind of, it's like a cranberry cake, grapes. It's good. Happy birthday to you.
hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you are into these type of videos, if you enjoy the vlog, please let me know down below. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will have the link down below for Karma. If you guys are interested, please download that so you guys can save some money. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.